Alright, good morning, welcome back to the stone house. First thing I want to do today is to make a little mobile unit that I can plug a light into and bring it around the house with me, because I'm noticing when I'm editing the videos, the quality is not very good, even with my nice camera, and I think it's because I just don't have enough light. Alright, that was a big fail. I'm just gonna have to bring the light wherever I'm going and hang it up, and that'll have to be good enough. The next thing I wanted to make was something to hang my wire on downstairs, so when I'm pulling wire, it can turn. It's hard to explain, but I think it'll make sense once you see what I'm doing. So this little roller thing will be really handy. I'll start the wire, get it through my holes, and just start pulling. As I'm pulling, this will unwind. Should save me a little bit of work. Okay, where's my light box? Lily probably put it somewhere. Oh, Lil, where did you put it? Oh, right there. When you're walking into the bathroom, the door's gonna open this way. So we can't put the switch to the bathroom on this wall. The switch basically has to be here. So you can't just put the switch like this. So what I need to do is build a 2x4 wall right here. I know it's not very good light in here. My camera battery's dying. I just need to say this real quick because I'm going to start doing something that's pretty... The bathroom is a very, very weird setup. And having the door here just wastes so much space that we need in order to do a shower, a separate bathtub, a big vanity, and a toilet. The toilet's going to go in this corner. And in order to fit a shower in here, you have to have a super small vanity here, because then there's no walking space through here. All this space ends up being wasted. So what we're gonna do is move the door from here. We're gonna be putting the door here now. So when you walk in and then you turn, the shower will be back here, a nice big vanity will fit here, and then the toilet can still go here. And then the bathtub will be able to still fit in this corner. That's a way better setup. It doesn't cause me that much work, and I'm gonna do it right now because I'm just on fire. Okay, you can see now I've got this wall framed up. This gives me a 42-inch by 42-inch deep shower stall. 42 by 42, that's a nice big shower. This is the best spot for the shower. That's the highest ceiling, and I'll be able to put my vent right there. I mean, this is just way better. So now what we gotta do is take down this wall basically that I just built. Sometimes things don't work out the way you planned. This is going to end up being a much better setup. Alright, that was a lot of work. So now when you walk into the bathroom, it's just a straight shot. Very happy with the way this turned out, because we just had no good place to put a shower, and now we've got the perfect place to put a shower. That is it. I am beat. I was about ready to leave at say 1 o'clock, and then I got this idea to change all this, and I don't even know what time it is now. It's 4 o'clock. It's a lot later. This is the first time that I've ever stayed this late, but I was just on a mission and I just wanted to get this done, and I'm so happy I did. It is so much better than it was. Let me know how you like this change. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.